Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So if you are interested in this type of topic, then this is the best video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income online promoting a really trusted and excellent product. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is the product and also show you how you are going to promote that product. This is really simple and this is really easy. Anyone can do it just using a computer. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. This is a worldwide method. You can do this method sitting anywhere in the world. No matter which country you belong to, you can start making money with this method. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. So the first thing you have to do is go to Google. So we will be going to google.com. Now what we are going to search is CONTENT, Content Samurai Affiliate. Okay, now just search for Content Samurai Affiliate. Now the first website which you get here is contentsamurai.com/affiliates. You have to click this website. Once you click this website, you will be on this website. Now, many of you may be knowing that Content Samurai is a video creation software, okay, which is online software which is used to create videos, okay. So you can create YouTube videos using this software, okay, and there is a 7-day free trial for this software. So this is one of the best thing about, because you just have to make people sign up for its free trial. This is the best and easiest thing to do, because many of the people are going to sign up for the free trial of Content Samurai. That makes the conversion rate of this software really very high. Okay, so you can see that you have got the affiliate resources to promote this. Okay, the first affiliates resources, this ebook, okay, which they are giving out. Second is the free trial offer, which everyone knows about Content Samurai. And third is the 25% off offer. Okay, so these are the three channel resources which you are going to get. You can see over here, this is the ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. The first offer, okay, which you can give with along with Content Samurai. Just give it away and you can promote Content Samurai doing this. Or you can also give this second one, digital productivity playbook. The second thing is that you can promote this one, which is 7-day free trial of Content Samurai. I definitely recommend this one because this one converts very better. And the best one is this one, 25% off on Content Samurai. This one, the second one and this third one converts really very better and very good. So you can just use this to just promote this to channels. Okay, you can promote this one if you like for if you want to make people sign up for 7-day free trial, or you can also promote for this one. This is okay, and you can offer people 25% off. Okay, so these are two things which you are definitely gonna get, and this can earn you some really good money. Okay, so this is really an awesome website which can earn you very good money. See the direct offer, and you can see over here said there, if you are inclined to more and more podcasts and prefer etc, all the things are written here. This is only preferred option for affiliate who have strong relationship. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, now see, to try before you buy. This funnel converts roughly 1 in 25 trial users, and it is paid membership customer. Okay, so a conversion rate this way, the dollar seems 120 trial signups and you get $100. That means you get $20 for every person who purchases this product. Okay, so they are saying that they have on sending 25 traffic of 25 people on this website, one gets converted. So you can see that you can get really good amount of money. Okay, just if you make 150 people sign up for this website, then you are gonna get $100 a month autopilot commission. That's really awesome because that's really easy. These are all recurring commissions, so you can really make a very good amount of money promoting this product, as you are gonna get recurring commission, which is really awesome. Now what you have to do is just you have to click on this register here, and you can sign up for as an affiliate for Content Samurai. It is really easy. They accept everyone almost from anywhere in the world. That is really simple for you. You can just do it. Just sign up for this, okay, from here. Now you are going to promote. Okay, now you are ready to promote this offer. How will you promote this offer? Now to promote this offer, you have to just check out the videos on YouTube about how to create videos on Content Samurai. For example, let's search for to use Content Samurai. Okay, how to use Content Samurai. See, now you can check out all these videos and learn how to use Content Samurai. It is one of the easiest software to learn, okay, and to promote. So it is really easy for you. So all you need to do is just check out this video and see how this person is using Content Samurai. All you need to do is create a similar video to this person. Okay, and you can see this person is not even showing his face. He has just put in the screen recording over here in this video, and this is the same thing which you are going to do. You are also going to create a video just like this using just the screen recorder. Okay, now the screen recorder which I personally use and I recommend to you is known as OBS Studio. It is available absolutely for free on internet. Just search for OBS project and you can just find out this. All you need to do is just come over here, click this plus button and add a name to your folder. Then click this first button, plus button, and add the mic, and just click on this start recording, and you can start recording your screen using this software which is known as OBS Studio. This is really an awesome software, and all you need to do is just talk. Okay, like I am talking while doing this stuff. All you need to do is just talk and just record the screen. Both will be recorded together using this software OBS Studio, and you can just start making videos related to Content Samurai. Like, just replicate the process which this guy is showing in this video. You can replicate even the process of this guy or process of any of the guy. Just replicate it, try to make a better video about that topic, and you can definitely make some money doing this method. Now what the thing which does not allow many people to make money is that they stop making content. The first thing that you should keep in your mind is that you should make almost 30 videos of this. Okay, now just get to some work, just make 30 videos of this and upload it every single day for 30 days on YouTube. And after that you will see that you will start getting some of the traction on your YouTube channel, some of the traffic on your YouTube channel, and then you will start getting some sales. So this is something in which you have to put in some work. You cannot just make money by doing no work. You just have to put in some work, and only after that you can make some money. But this is really an awesome method and very good way to make some really good passive money. Okay, once you put in the work, after that you are going to earn passive income for a very very long period of time utilizing this really simple and effective method. Okay, so this is really good. So if you like this video, if you like my content, just press the like button, and if you are really interested in more videos of my channel, you can just check out all these other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, how to earn money online, online business, etc. all the things. And you can also press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon which comes next to the subscribe button, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.